Pakistan Army conducting an operation along the Pak-Afghan border in Khyber Agency, called Operation Rajgal. The Indus Plain covers an area of about _blank 200,000 sq miles. Foreign Secretary of Pakistan is _blank Suhail Mahmood. Combing operation means a searching operation by forces to find out hidden terrorists. Name the former chairman of Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, who got jailed in Chaudhry Sugar Mills record tampering case. Zafar Hijazi, who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case. Faiz Ahmed Faiz. The total length of north-south gas pipeline is 1,100 kilometers. Jang Group launched Pakistan's biggest online shopping festival in September 2016 with partnership of Google. Renowned poetess, writer, Famida Riaz passed away at age of ______ on November 21, 2018. 72. Tarbela Dam is located in district _blank Haripur. Special Revenue Assistant to PM Nawaz Sharif. Haroon Akhtar. Which country's diplomat was briefly detained for killing a motorcyclist in a hit-and-run case on the 7th of April 2018? USA. Sharbat Gula Bibi, Afghan Mona Lisa, arrested by FIA due to having Pakistani CNIC. Dr. Ruth Pao, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan, was leading the fight against _blank in Pakistan. Leprosy.